Now, we want to know why so many roads in Pennsylvania are shut down. Check this out. This is New York State. We're about to enter Pennsylvania. New York does a good solid for us. We're in Pennsylvania. New York comes down here and they salt this side. Right down here they turn around and they salt that side. We're about to find out what Pennsylvania does. Oh yeah, they shut down roads. They don't plow anything. So we gotta move over. It's about to get treacherous. Welcome to Pennsylvania. Went from perfectly clean roads to this. Now you know why all the roads in Pennsylvania are shut down. They don't know how to plow.